All right, my friends, stamping, fun, fun, fun. All right, we're gonna try our hand at some stamping here. So I'm still cleaning up from the last video. I'm gonna close all these. Did an awesome mani for our first Valentine's Day manicure, which honestly is awesome. Really pretty. We're gonna try some stamping, I think, on these two. Propose already, and it's complicated. So, I mentioned in the video where I did this manicure that I got this Valentine's Day stamping set from Twinkle Tea, and I was playing around with it last night, and it was so fun. So it came with a clear stamper, swiping card. It came with this, let me move this out of the way so you can see better. Came with this stamping plate and these two polishes. I also ordered with it this polish, which was separate, but it's cool. But since this pink and this is a light color, I'm actually not going to use these. I'm going to use some of my Jamberry Nail Lacquer. I also have a couple different plates that I'm going to use because I don't really want to cover everything up. So this is Bundle Monster, which used to be, or which is now Maniology. We'll use these two. Okay. So, and again, I'm brand new to stamping, so I don't really know much, but I will share with you what I do know. So, stamping goes like this. You put your polish. Now, the key to stamping polishes, and the reason these are called stamping polishes, is because they're very pigmented and they're fairly thick. So you wouldn't want to use like a real, see-through kind of polish that you have to put, 6 coats on just to make it a dark color. Those will not work for stamping because when you transfer, you won't be able to see anything. So you'll need the stamping plates. Good stamping plates are a must because the etching needs to be deep enough to hold that polish. If not, nothing is going to transfer. Also, you will need the stamper, and there's all different kinds. I only have the clear ones because that's all I've gotten so far, but I like the clear because you can see where you're placing the image, and you'll see that in a minute when I show you. You'll also need some kind of a card. This is the one that I got in a caption from Young Nails little kit that I bought. And they're all different. This one's a little harder. I think I like it better, but that's to wipe the polish through so that it goes in the entire design. So you'll need that, the stamper to transfer. You'll need some non-acetone polish remover. This is really important that it's non-acetone nail polish remover because, first of all, this is going to go all over my cuticle, and there are all kinds of things. You can get little guards, you can get latex nail thing that just comes off after you stamp. I don't have any of that right now. I have ordered it, but it's not here yet, so I'm not even going to worry about it. We're going to have to clean up the cuticle, however, for which I have this brush that I bought for $1 at Target. It's an e.l.f. brush. It's supposed to be for makeup smudging, but we are going to cuticle clean. All right, so we have our plate, our polish, our stamper, our card to swipe, and then we have this with our non-acetone nail polish remover to clean it up. So now we have to decide what we're gonna do. I feel like this one with the arrows is super cute. I think I'm gonna do that in the pink on the Propose Already. So let's see. You'll also need some cotton wipes just to clean this up once we're done. So you want to put the polish just on about a third of the design. Now, once you put the polish down, you need to move fairly quickly in order to pick up the design. So got polish on there, swipe it in one motion all the way, so see it fills everything, and then you want to stamp to pick it up. So now you can see we've got that on there, right? So now we can use this, since it's clear, to look and make sure that we put it where we want it. Ta-da! Look at that. How cute is that? You see it? Right? All right. Perfect. So we're just going to then get a little bit of our polish remover and just real carefully go around the edges here. Clean this up. It's cute with the little arrows. I almost wish I'd used it on a bigger nail though, because you kind of don't get the full effect size-wise, but you live and learn, right? That's what we're all about here. Mani Maniac. It's cute though, right? All right. So what we're gonna do is more remover. We're gonna clean this because it's difficult to wipe it again if you haven't cleaned it off. I'm gonna clean our stamping plate here. And we're using the same color, so I'm not too worried about this, but all right, so next we're gonna do some white on this. It's complicated. Now, I don't wanna cover too much up, so I think I'm gonna do like this big heart here. We're just gonna put the polish there, and then we're gonna swipe it. The best way to clean these is just with like tape. All right, so here we go. Give it a shot, right? What's the worst that could happen? The nice thing is that since the non-acetone polish remover won't mess up my dip, if I do mess up, I can always wipe it off. So I'm not too worried about that, and it won't ruin my dip. So I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on here because I only wanna use that one. And if I get it everywhere, it won't work right. Okay, there it is. So we're gonna put this in the corner, and excuse me as I lean over here and see. I want it right there. Ta-da! See, we can do it. All right, thanks for learning with me. This is fun, right? I've always loved doing my nails so much. It's so fun. Okay, so we're looking good. Look at how cool that looks. So I think we'll put the other one on this side so that they kind of mirror each other. Okay, so that looks pretty clean because we were really conscientious here about what we're doing as far as our make sure that gets in all that area, right? And there's our heart. So you want to pick it up fairly quickly. After that, you do kind of have a minute. Oh no, I missed. Did you see that? I created the edge. So see that little ripple? That's because I moved while I was stamping it. You got to be real careful, but I like bumped into something. Actually, let's see what would happen if we try to redo that. Maybe. Just wipes right off. And it's still glossy. Isn't that amazing? That is exciting. I'm not gonna lie. It's so nice to not stress about being able to work on this, right? All right, let's try it again because we want to do better. I'm showing you the real life thing, my friends. Wait till that nail polish remover dries. All right, here we go again. Try putting it across this way instead this time, so that I swipe down and it goes to everything. I was doing it kind of across last time, and I was afraid I was going to miss that. Okay, so there's our heart. And now we are going to place it. When we push down, we just go down, right? Boom. Down and up. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Ta-da! look how cute we are. All right, my friends, clean this up. Now, the other thing about stamping is that you can't just drag a top coat over this now, right? So either you need a no smudge top coat, which guess what? I don't have because I ordered it and it's still not here. So we won't say whose fault that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Sparkle & Co.'s Gel Top. Now, to do a top coat over this without messing it up, we have to float the brush. Now that means we're gonna put a lot on here because I don't want the actual brush to touch my design. So here we go, this is what we're gonna do. We want a lot of product on there and we don't want the brush to actually touch anything. So we're gonna go all the way around so that it's covered with the gel. And now that it is, hopefully we won't smudge it. We're gonna do the same down here for this heart and then we'll cure it. Okay, not too shabby. I think we did it. We didn't smudge it, hooray! Okay, so now we're gonna cure those. Ta-da, totally cured, look at that. And this, again, this is Sparkle & Co. Gel Top, which means this is actually a no wipe top coat. So that's why I can just touch this. There's no sticky layer that needs to be wiped off in this particular top coat. So you guys, we are ready to make our move towards Valentine's Day. I will be doing another Valentine's Day mani, which I will link in the card above once it's done. But until then, please come back and see me. I'll list all the products down below that I used today. And please make sure to comment, give us a thumbs up if you like this content, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming manis here at the Mani Maniac. We'll see you next time.